Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a simple drawstring pouch, and the tutorial is absolute beginner friendly. We are going to begin with a slip knot. So this is how you do it. And we are going to chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is going to be the length of our pouch. So we begin making the first double crochet. So you mark the last stitch and chain 2 more. So 1, 2, then you double crochet in the stitch that you had marked. That marks our second double crochet. So you're going to double crochet in every other stitch until the end. Let's continue making the double crochet and I'll meet you at the end. So this is our last stitch. I make a double crochet to mark the end of that, and since we are making the base, we have to go back at the back of these chains and make double crochet. So I make 2 other double crochet in the same last stitch. So the second double crochet in the same stitch and the third double crochet in that same stitch, and then you turn and work on the other side of the double crochet. So you're going to skip the first stitch and move into the second one and make a double crochet. Moving to the next. So at the bottom of each double crochet that we made in the first row, we make another double crochet. So you're going to double crochet until the last stitch. You can see the base of the pouch has been formed. So let's continue double crocheting and I'll find you at the end. So we are going to stitch 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And then come to the top of the first double crochet in the previous row and make a slip stitch. So you can see we have formed the base of our pouch. So we are going to chain to begin our next row by chaining 2, 1, 2, and begin a single crochet on top of every other single crochet until we come back to this first double crochet. So on top of this first one, you make a double crochet. Where you have something like that looks like a V, you make a double crochet on top of it. So double crochet, double crochet. Where you have something like a V, on top of every double crochet you make a double crochet. I will find you after completing the whole, after doing this whole row until we come back to this first one. So we are at the last stitch. So on top of this chain 2 that you began with, you make a slip knot. You can see our pouch is coming along, so we're going to begin another row. So chain 2 on the first double crochet, on top of the first double crochet, begin double crocheting. So we are going to repeat this pattern until the height that you want. So I'm going to do 3 more rows to show you how it's going to come along. So I'll be closing off my bag at this point. So you're going to pull through. So I'm going to cut my yarn at that point and pull this and fasten it. I'll be using yarn of a different color to make the bag more appealing. So make a slip knot. And for this we're going just to make a foundation chain. So chain as many stitches that will make this foundation chain go round the bag. So I'll be using the bag to see if my foundation chain is enough. So that's half of it. I'll continue making the chain. I'll just fold it and see whether it's enough. So yeah, that's enough for my pouch. I'll just add 5 more. and then cut your yarn, pull through and tighten it. So we are going now to attach this drawstring. So you insert it onto the first, you skip 3, 1, 2, 3, pull it through to come out, 1, 2, 3, pull it to the inside, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So perfect. So we are going to do that on the other side. So on the first one, you pull it inside, then you start counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on until the end. So we are going to adjust so that they are both equal. And then you come to the end of this foundation chain that you made, make a knot, cut off this yarn, and there you have the pouch. So if you want to make it a drawstring, you just pull, just pull it like that. You have your drawstring bag. You can loosen it up. You can store. There you go. So the tutorial is beginner friendly. Yeah. See you on the next one.